Hey guys, in today's video, I'll guide you how to repurpose TikTok videos to your Instagram Reels and YouTube Short. Now, let's start. Make sure to log in your repurpose.ios account, and once you navigate the website, just tap Create Workflow. Now, in the Workflow section, all you have to do is you can choose what type of workflow you want. If you want to repurpose future reference or future content, just select this. And if you want to repurpose your existing content, then tap this. For now, we'll be using existing content. Then after that, you have to select TikTok and then tap your account. And then in the destination, you have to select Instagram and make sure to authorize Instagram so that the repurpose.io would have access into your Instagram account. Just tap allow. Then click create workflow. Then in here you have to select the number of posts per day, and you can also set the time and days you want the videos to be posted in your Instagram. And once you're all settled in this schedule, just tap enable automation. And there you go, you already repurposed your TikTok videos to your Instagram account. Now, let's add YouTube. So, at the top right corner, just create another workflow because we need to connect our YouTube. Now, we're still we're still using the same workflow type, such as using the existing content. Then our source is TikTok. Then tap your account. Then our destination is YouTube. And make sure to grant access. And make sure the video type is shorts. Then after that, just tap create workflow. Now in here, same procedure, just input the number of posts per day and then set the schedule of posting into your YouTube. And once you're all done in this schedule, just tap enable automation. And there you go. You already repurpose your TikTok videos to your YouTube short. Now, as you can see here, we already repurposed our TikTok to our YouTube shorts and TikTok reels. And then the video will automatically publish depending on the schedule we set. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.